The top 5 best blenders of 2024 offer a blend of power, performance, and innovation, catering to a wide range of blending needs. Whether you prioritize smart features, versatility, or professional-grade performance, there's a blender on this list to suit your preferences. Number 1. Vitamix A3500 Ascent Series Smart Blender. Vitamix has long been synonymous with high-performance blenders, and the A3500 Ascent Series Smart Blender continues this tradition with aplomb. Equipped with a powerful 2.2 horsepower motor and hardened stainless steel blades, the A3500 pulverizes ingredients with ease, whether it's fibrous greens or tough nuts. What sets this blender apart is its smart technology, including wireless connectivity and programmable settings. Through the Vitamix app, users can access a plethora of recipes and customize blending programs to suit their needs. From silky smoothies to velvety soups, the A3500 delivers consistent results, making it a staple in any kitchen. Number 2. NutriBullet Blender Combo. For those seeking versatility and convenience, the NutriBullet Blender Combo emerges as a top choice. This all-in-one appliance seamlessly transitions from single-serve blending to large batch processing, thanks to its multiple cup sizes and interchangeable blades. Powered by a robust motor and cyclonic action technology, the Blender Combo effortlessly pulverizes fruits, vegetables, and nuts, extracting nutrients with precision. Whether you're whipping up a morning smoothie or preparing ingredients for a hearty soup, the NutriBullet Blender Combo delivers quick and efficient results, making healthy eating a breeze. Number 3. Breville the Fresh and Furious Countertop Blender. Breville has earned a reputation for excellence in kitchen appliances, and the Fresh and Furious Countertop Blender lives up to this legacy. Engineered for performance and durability, this blender features Breville's unique kinetic blade and bowl system, which creates a powerful vortex for thorough blending. With pre-programmed settings and variable speed control, users can achieve precise results with minimal effort. Whether you're blending frozen fruits or leafy greens, the Fresh and Furious Countertop Blender delivers smooth and consistent textures, making it a valuable addition to any kitchen arsenal. Number 4. Wolf Gourmet Pro Performance Blender. Enter the realm of professional-grade blending with the Wolf Gourmet Pro Performance Blender. Crafted with precision and powered by a robust 2.4 peak horsepower motor, this blender is designed to tackle the toughest ingredients with ease. The ultra-sharp stainless steel blades effortlessly pulverize everything from ice to nuts, producing silky, smooth textures every time. What sets this blender apart is its intuitive control panel and responsive interface, which allow users to customize blending programs and achieve optimal results. Whether you're making creamy sauces or indulgent desserts, the Wolf Gourmet Pro Performance Blender delivers unmatched performance and versatility. Number 5. KitchenAid K400 Variable Speed Blender. Rounding out our list is the KitchenAid K400 Variable Speed Blender, a timeless classic known for its reliability and performance. With its iconic design and sturdy construction, this blender effortlessly blends through tough ingredients with ease. The variable speed control and IntelliSpeed motor control ensure optimal blending results, while the durable stainless steel blades deliver consistent performance. Whether you're making smoothies, sauces, or dips, the KitchenAid K400 Variable Speed Blender is your trusted companion in the kitchen, making meal prep a breeze.